Good day. Welcome to the PSG World Offshore Performance Overview for December 2023. Global equity markets rallied in December as the MSCI ACWI ended the month 4.8% higher, while the MSCI World ended 4.9% higher. Emerging markets underperformed developed markets, posting a 3.9% return. The S&P 500 was up by 4.5% over the month, while the FTSE 100 was up by 3.85%. Asian markets were flat over the month as Hong Kong equities only posted a 16 basis points return, while Japanese equities were only up by 9 basis points. Global property continued its recovery, posting a 9% return over the month. In the fixed income market, both sovereign and investment-grade bonds were up by 4.2%, while emerging market bonds ended the month 5.16% higher. Over the month, value outperformed growth, especially within the larger cap market. But growth still outperformed value for the year, with the largest outperformance coming from large cap stocks, which are up over 39%, while large cap value counters are only up by 11.28%. Over the month, we saw some of our growth strategies such as Bailey Gifford outperforming the sector, while some of our more defensive strategies such as the Veritas Global Real Return Fund being amongst our bottom performers. 6 funds were included in our quantitative radar, and the Global Preserver Fund of Fund still has the Fidelity Global Multi-Asset Income Fund in our qualitative radar. The Global Preserver Fund of Fund USD class outperformed the sector by 21 basis points, with 3 out of 5 managers outperforming for the month. The GBP class underperformed the sector by minus 1.31%, which is due to the dollar depreciating against the pound over the month. The ranking table is still dominated by first and second quartile performance over the long term, with both classes being in the first quartile over their recommended investment period. The Global Moderate Fund of Fund outperformed the sector by 99 basis points, and all of the funds outperformed. The fund has managed to produce second quartile performance over its 5-year recommended investment period. The Global Flexible Fund of Fund USD class outperformed the sector by 1.41%, with 5 out of 7 managers outperforming. The GBP class also outperformed the sector by 59 basis points, with 5 out of 7 managers outperforming. The ranking table is still dominated by first quartile performance over the long term, and both funds are in the first quartile over 7 years. The Global Creator Fund of Fund underperformed the sector by 23 basis points, with only 3 out of 10 managers outperforming. The fund is still in the first quartile over its 7-year recommended investment period. The Solution continues to produce consistent first and second quartile performance over the long term, and are performing relatively well over their recommended investment periods. Looking at our 3-pillar approach, even with the volatility this year, the team are still achieving their objective of delivering consistent above-average performance at below-average risk while maintaining a competitive price. Thank you.